now here to detail. Alva's Pragati 2014, an annual job fair, was organized by the Alva's Education Foundation on June 14 and 15. This event is being hosted for the fifth time at the Alva's Vidyagiri campus.
Addressing a press meet at the Press Club in Mangalore on Tuesday, Dr. Mohan Alva, chairperson of Alva's Education Trust, said that around 200 companies from various sectors are expected to participate in the drive. Alva's Education Foundation's objective in organizing the mass drive is not only to provide employment but also to educate and create awareness amongst the rural youth about the employment opportunities available in various sectors where they can be gainfully employed. The registration can be done on the link provided on www.alvaspragati.com.
ಈ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಮೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸಲ ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. 172 ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು 400ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳು ಬಂದು 15,000ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಉದ್ಯೋಗಾಂಶಗಳು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದು ಇದು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ವಿಚಾರ. ಇದಲ್ಲದೆ 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರದ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಮೇಳದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಯೋಜಕರಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ವೀರಪ್ಪ ಮೊಯ್ಲಿಯವರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ 14 ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 277 ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವ ವಿಚಾರ. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 32 ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳಾದ ಅರ್ನ್ಸ್ಟ್ & ಯಂಗ್, IBM, ನಾರ್ದರ್ನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಇನ್ಫೋಸಿಸ್, ವಿಪ್ರೋಗಳು ಈ ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಂದ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದರು. ಆಳ್ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಗತಿ 2014 ನಾಡ್ದಾಗುವಂತಹ ಜೂನ್ 14 ಮತ್ತು 15ರಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವಂತಹ ಈ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಮೇಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 200ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಐಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಟೋಮೊಬೈಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, BFSI ಮತ್ತು ಮೀಡಿಯಾ, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಟೇಲ್, NGO ಅಂಡ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, GPO, APO, HR ಏಜೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಿಂದ ಈ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಮೇಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವಂತಹ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ನಮಗಿದೆ.
The Billava Seva Samaj Kolya Someshwar had organized their 36th annual day celebration on Sunday, the 18th of May.
Billava Seva Samaj Kolya Someshwar had organized the 36th annual day celebration on Sunday, the 18th of May. Puja was performed on the occasion. School books were presented to the students. Later, Shivagiri Shri Satyananda Tirtha Sir blessed and spoke on the occasion.
మనం బీసీరోడ్ సంఘటనలు వచ్చినట్లు నుంచి కంప్లైంట్ కొరియారు ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಲ್ಲವ ಸಮಾಜ ಆಂಜೋಕುಲು ಏರ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಪಿದ್ದಾರೆ 10ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಟ್ಟ ಕಲ್ಪಿಯಾರು ಮೊದಲ ಪೇಂಟರ್, ರಿಕ್ಷಾ ಡ್ರೈವರ್, ಕೂಲಿ ವೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಯಾರು ಕೊಂಜೋಕುಲು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಪೊದು ದಿಕ್ಕು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲ್ದಿನ ಆಂಜೋಕುಲು ದಿಕ್ಕು ಜರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಉಂಟು. ಎಂಕುಲು ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಲ್ದಿನ ಎಂಕಲೇ ಸರಿ ಸಮಾನ ಆಂಜೋಕುಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜೋಡು ಜಾ ಬೇಟೆ ಸಮಾಜದಾಗಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಬೇಟೆ ಧರ್ಮದಾಗಲಿ ನೀವು ಲವ್ ಮಲ್ಪರೆ ಇಂಕೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕದ್ದು ಬಿಡಬಹುದು, ಎಂಟು ದಾದ ಮಲ್ಪೋಡೋದು ಐಕೆ ಆ ಇಂಚೆನ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಹೊರಬೇಕು ಅದೇ ಅಪ್ಪ ನನಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಉಂಟು. ಅಪ್ಪ ಆಂಜೋಗಳು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಲ್ಪಿದ್ದಾರೆ ತುಂಬರೋದು ಕಲ್ಪೋದು ಇಂಚಿನ ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಇಂಚಿನ ಮಾತ್ರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ನಾವು ಬೆರಿ ಪಟ್ಟುದಾಗಲೇ ಪೂರ್ಣ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಹಾಯ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊರನಾಗ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ವಿತರಣೆ, ಅಂಚಿನ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ವಿತರಣೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಮಾಜಗಳು ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸಹಾಯ, ಪಾಪದ ಪಂಜೋಗಲಿ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಇಂಚಿನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಕೊರನಾಗ ఒక ನಮ್ಮ ದಯಾಪಿರಬೋರ ಆಂಜೋಗಲ ಇದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಬರೋದು ಖಂಡಿತ ಕಲ್ಪಡೋದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪಡೆಯೋದು.
Professor Sharmila Bhoja Pujari, PA Engineering College, presented the scholarship to the students. Mangalore Guru Savarda Bank Director, Mrs. Geeta D. Amin, Mr. Ravindra Bhatt, Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Someshwaram, Mrs. Kasturi, Professor Bhoja Pujari and others were present at the program. Mr. Jaya Kumar compared the program.
Hi, this is John Abraham and you're watching Coastal Time.
ಇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಪುಟ್ಟುಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮಗನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಭದ್ರವಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಸಾಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರ, ಚಿನ್ನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಧಿಕ ಸಾಲ, ಕ್ಷಿಪ್ರ ಮಂಜೂರಾತಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲ ವಿಶೇಷ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪುಟ್ಟುಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ.
18 February 1924, a day started to create history and wave in the banking industry. Karnataka Bank was born. Many prominent personalities served as directors, but Mr. Suryanarayan Adiga ruled successfully for several years. The whole family bank was declared as one of the most customer-friendly banks by Consumer Forum and the Ministry of Customer Affairs. Over 464 plus branches, 8 regional offices, over 200 plus ATMs and over 4,500 plus dedicated staff offers the best rate of interest, especially for the senior citizens. Come, let's listen to what the CEO and MD Mr. Jairam Bhatt has got to say.
Karnataka Bank is your family bank.
Garcia Designs, a dreamland of furniture. Decorate with exclusive range of furniture from Garcia. Now attractive variety of furniture with unique designs and ready to fit your living place. Exclusive range of furniture for ultra-modern houses and corporate offices. Have your dream design furniture. Get a new look in your office by exclusive range of office furniture. The designers offer your furniture needs under one roof. Patronize our exclusive imported furniture shop Garcia Designs at Garcia Design Complex, Vijay Church Cross Road, Vijay, Mangalore.
Today, one looks back with pride and wonder on the transformation that has taken place at Kankanadi, from a single dispensary to a super specialty hospital, from 20 beds to 1,050 beds, from 10 health workers to over 1,500 doctors, nurses, technical staff and over 2,000 students. Father Muller is a byword today for service and dedication, for specific burning of cancer cells at their locations. We have all precision equipments and instruments for both invasive and non-invasive surgical procedures and diagnosis, including high reduction X-ray, ultrasonic color Doppler, CT scan and MRI machines. The operation theaters are equipped with contemporary equipment, high-tech intensive care units, neo and postnatal units, burns unit, cath lab and cardiothoracic units are fully equipped. Our NICU is the largest in the city. The blood bank and cell separator and casualty are 24-hour services. In all, we have 32 super specialty services including chest and allergy, de-addiction and counseling, dialysis and mammography.
4 years ago, exactly on this day, the space's flight Air India Express IH812 crashed at the Mangalore International Airport after having overshot the runway. As many as 158 people, including the flight crew, saw a tragic death when the Boeing 737 crashed into a ravine on the periphery of the airport on May 22, 2010.
4 years ago, exactly on this day, the flight Air India Express IX812 crashed at Mangalore International Airport after having overshot the runway. As many as 150 people, including the flight crew, were killed when the Boeing 737 crashed into a ravine on the periphery of airport on May 22, 2010. However, the condolences and promises made by the union and the state government in the initial stages have remained unfulfilled till today. Assurances of a permanent memorial for the air crash victims, construction of a community hall, a health center in the limits of the air crash site, and widening of the runway at the airport have been all about ignored but by the authorities. In early September 2013, the union government held that all the 160 cases of payout pertaining to the AIE air crash had been settled within total outflow of rupees 115.74 crore.
Sri Malaraya Banta Temple, Manjanadi had organized their annual Bandi procession on Saturday the 17th of May.
Sri Malaraya Banta Devasthana Manjanadi had organized annual Bandi Jatri on Saturday the 17th of May. Bandi Utsav, Dhupadarati, Kota Dhyana were held on the occasion. Many devotees took part in the Utsav.
Mr. Prasad, now you are all right. But ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಒಂದೇ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಂತ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್? ಅದು ಈ ಸಿಟಿಲಿ.
ಯಾಕೆ ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಯಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ?
ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಯಾ
2 ಎಕರೆ ವಿಶಾಲವಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 85% ಹಚ್ಚ ಹಸಿರಾದ ಓಪನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇರುವಂತ ಸೂಪರ್ ಲಕ್ಸುರಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಮುಖ್ಯ ರಸ್ತೆ ಬದಿಯಲ್ಲೇ, ಕುಲಶೇಖರ ಚೌಕಿಲಿ. ಈಗಲೇ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಂಥ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನೀವು?
ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆ.
For exclusive bookings, contact Property Deal Marketing and Project Management Company, first floor, Netravati Complex, Red Building, near Zarodi Temple, Bangalore. For booking and more details, call 890-400-1234. Our website is www.propertydealindia.com. Property Deal Marketing and Project Management Company, the professional real estate consultants.
ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ, ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಂಪರೆ. ಶತಮಾನೋತ್ಸವದತ್ತ ದಿಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ.
ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು. ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಅಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಸ್ವಸಹಾಯ ಗುಂಪುಗಳ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 9 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಬಾರ್ಡ್ನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲದ ವಸೂಲಾತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸತತ 14 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ 100% ಸಾಧನೆ. 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಎಟಿಎಂ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂಚಯ ಠೇವಣಿ ಯೋಜನೆ, ಠೇವಣಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ವಿಮಾ ಯೋಜನೆ.
ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ ಸದಾಶಿವ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸದನ, ಕೊಡಿಯಲ್ ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ. ಭಾಷೆ, ಧರ್ಮ, ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ. ಆದರೆ ಚಿನ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರ ಕೈಲಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿನ್ನ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? ಜೋ ಸಲುಕ ಚಿನ್ನದಂತಹ ಸಂಬಂಧ.
Garcia Designs, a dreamland of furniture. Decorate with exclusive range of furniture from Garcia. Now attractive variety of furniture with unique designs and ready to fit your living place. Exclusive range of furniture for ultra-modern houses and corporate offices. Have your dream design furniture. Get a new look in your office by exclusive range of office furniture. The designers offer your furniture needs under one roof. Patronize our exclusive imported furniture shop Garcia Designs at Garcia Design Complex, Vijay Church Cross Road, Vijay, Mangalore.
Tejaswini Hospital and SSIOT and ISO 9001-2008 certified Shantram Shetty Institute of Orthopedics and Traumatology, 200-bedded hospital established in 2004. Specialized in neurosurgery, cardiac surgery, urology, plastic surgery, vascular surgery, has 4 ultra-unique laminar floor operation theatres which blows virus and bacteria. SSIOT, with the expertise of 38 years of Dr. Shantram Shetty, not only treats patients but also is fully fledged for accident and emergency treatment with experts in the field. SSIOT is a place for advanced technology of any joint replacement of the body. Tejaswini Hospital, Kabri Temple Road, Kabri, Mangalore. Telephone 222-5777, 222-5994, 95, 96 and 97.
No party is complete without chicken. The only rich food with complete nutrition. Swift Nutrition Hygienic. Soza Chicken. The breeding is taken care of by state-of-the-art technology. From hatching, packing, transporting, dressing and delivery. We supply as per your requirement and quantity. Remember, if it's chicken, it's Soza Chicken. The best place to order. Visit us. Soza Chicken, Kushekar Kaikamba, Mangalore. Mobile 944-8284-203.
As a part of the 5th Annual Multiple Convention, Lions Club International Multiple District 317 had organized a presentation of the multiple awards on Sunday, the 18th of May at the J.V. Raman Pai Convention Hall at Kodial Vile in Mangalore.
As part of the 5th Annual Multiple Convention, Lions Club International Multiple District 317 had organized presentation of multiple awards on Sunday, the 18th of May at J.V. Raman Pai Convention Hall, Kodial Vile in Mangalore. The new elected multiple council chairperson was introduced. Later, council chairperson MD 317 Land C.K. Krishnamurthy felicitated and honored Land Shiva Srinivasan and his spouse on the occasion. Various governors of various districts introduced the new coming DG team consisting of first VDG and second VDG.
From our late Chemistry Shastri was also our past district governor, son, now the daughter-in-law of Chemistry Shastri, we are seeing as leaders of our district. I hereby present to you and Chemistry Shastri our first governor and Dr. Santosh Kumar Shastri, the respect. Now I request our new leader, second vice district governor and Arun Shetty and Babu and Indira Shetty in the district conference held last month when Arun Shetty was elected as the second vice district governor of our district 317.
Multiple awards were presented on the occasion. The District 317D bagged the best DG team in the multiple. The best DC administration award was bagged by Vani Vialva. The best PR award was presented to MGF Line Agnel Rodriguez. The best Leo President Award was presented to Leo Vimashalva. Line Kavita Shatri, Line Devdas Bandari, Line Ronald Gomes, Line SM Iron, Line Dharmapal, Line Suresh Rai, Line Arvind Shanai, and others also bagged various awards. Later, PMGF Line KC Prabhu, Host Committee Chairperson and District Governor and District 317D spoke to Coastal Times. be very proud because 3170, the heading of your district, has won the JLT Best Awards and many awards in the multiple. And Kumar Nasim Prabhu and MC Shetty also expressed their feelings to our reporters.
Well, it's always a challenge. Events is always a challenge. And Lions Club is a passion. Again, I have more than 24 years or 26 years. And anything for our leader, people who inspired us to do our best. And that thing, I think, leadership made a difference. And I think that is why we all of us gathered together and saw that this event is the best one in the multiple. And there will be a lot of other parties too. More than the
as supervisors, I am really happy to work with this team, with our government. Because of this motivation, we did all this.
Many prominent personalities were present at the program.
The Department of Surgery at KMC Hospital Al-Tawal will be organizing a free screening camp at its premises on the 22nd, 23rd and 24th of May between 2 p.m. and 4:30 p.m. in corporate press release. That's all for now. See you with more news on the same channel at the same time. Till then, goodbye.